But at the moment, it's a disaster.
Yeah.
He's taking a look under the hood here at Twitter. It's an absolute train wreck of a company that they're running. So it's a political project, and he's trying to transition it into something else.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for that. I'm going to be very interested to see how he does that once he starts hitting, legislation like Online Safety Act when it becomes an Online Safety Act, and also particularly the EU, of course, with their equivalent. So we'll see how that goes. Now, look, I just want to end with medications, medicines, and vaccines in particular. And let's just have a look at this cartoon that the MHRA pushed out this morning, because, of course, this is the end of a week of celebration of medicines by the MHRA. And this is really, this is how they speak to the public. This is how they let people know that they should be making yellow card reports with their little cartoon characters. It is so condescending and patronizing. I don't even know where to begin. But in the meantime, what has the MHRA done? Well, today they've decided to approve the second Pfizer BioNTech bivalent COVID-19 booster vaccine. Approval has today been granted by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency for a Pfizer BioNTech bivalent COVID vaccine that targets both the original strain of SARS-CoV-2 and BA4 and BA5 subvariants. The vaccine has been approved for use as a booster in doses in individuals aged 12 years and above. And this decision has been endorsed by the Commission on Human Medicines. And then they go on to say that the decision is based on all available evidence on the original Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine and its adapted vaccines. This includes extensive safety and effectiveness data for the original vaccine, clinical data from the bivalent original Omicron BA1 vaccine, and safety data from an ongoing clinical trial. So they acknowledge in their press release that this is an ongoing clinical trial, and effectively the general public are part of that. So they finish off by saying these show that the common side effects, so the data that they have shows that the common side effects observed with the new bivalent vaccine were the same as those seen for other versions of the vaccine. These side effects were typically mild and self-resolving, with no new safety concerns identified. Well, of course, the reason that there are no new safety concerns identified is because they're ignoring the safety concerns and the clear evidence of safety disasters with respect to all the COVID-19 vaccines, and pressing ahead regardless. So I just want to end the program today by reminding everybody of the Children's Health Defence Europe press conference taking place on Monday on this issue. We'll have it on the UK Column website. Begins at 9 a.m. live. UK time, 10 a.m. European time, and it's taking place in Brussels. Please do watch that on Monday morning if you can. We'll be back in a couple of minutes with some extra, but otherwise we'll see you at 1 p.m. on Monday as usual. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you then.